Hi folks, I'm Ian Baker, and today I want to talk about the Coleman Lantern line of travel trailers. Coleman Lanterns come in a broad spectrum of sizes and layouts, from toy haulers to multiple slide travel trailers. In terms of length, you'll find Coleman Lanterns run from just under 28 feet to nearly 38 feet. Coleman Lantern has a dozen floor plans. Of that, more than half are bunkhouses. These family floor plans are ideal to get your family out enjoying the outdoors, and as a family man myself, that's where I'm going to start. First off, every Coleman Lantern bunkhouse model has the ability to sleep a minimum of 8 campers. The 244BH has double over double bunks, a large U-dinette in a slide out, and an outside kitchen. Next up the line is the very popular 263BH. Just over 30 feet, the 263 moves the double over double bunks to the off-camp side, allowing the bathroom to move campside and giving it immediate entry from the outside. The second entry is up front and brings you right into the living area. A large living area slide holds the jackknife sofa and convertible dinette across from the L-shaped kitchen. As with the 244BH, the entertainment center provides wall space for bedroom separation from the main living area. Next up in the line of BH Coleman Lanterns is the 285BH. This floor plan moves the double over double bunks back to the campside, adding an outside kitchen embedded in the bunk area. The 285BH does have 2 entrances, one into the main living area beside the bunks, the other a private entrance into the bedroom. The single slide houses the jackknife sofa and dinette. This slide is directly across from the entertainment center and an impressive L-shaped kitchen that includes a walk-in closet and large pantry. The anomaly of the bunkhouse models is next, the Lantern 295QB. This is the first of the Coleman Lantern bunkhouses to feature twin-size bunks housed in a true bunk room enclosed by a solid pocket door. This bunk room features 3 twin bunks and a den cube for sitting and watching TV in the bunk room. A large slide houses the U-dinette and jackknife sofa, which all sits across from the kitchen. The next 3 Coleman Lantern bunkhouses, the 314BH, 334BH, and 337BH, all have 2 slides on the off-camp side, one in the bunk room housing bunks, the other in the living area containing the U-dinette and jackknife sofa. All 3 also have an outside kitchen. The first of these 3, the 314BH, has 2 entrances, one straight into the bathroom, the other into the living area. Next up is the 334BH. It is pretty similar to the 314 with a few notable differences. The bunk room has a pocket door to enable privacy, and the bedroom has dual pocket doors off the front entertainment center. The final Coleman Lantern bunkhouse is the 337BH. The bunk room is a bit more expansive and has a convertible twin dinette. The 337 has a 3rd slide. It sits on the campside and pulls out the kitchen appliances to enable the 337BH to have a useful kitchen island. The bathroom is moved up to the front adjacent to the bedroom, and the bedroom has a privacy pocket door. That's it for the bunkhouses. Now I'm going to shift over to the rear living floor plans. The 264RL is a popular floor plan due to its 2 entrances. One, a private entrance into the bedroom. Once in the living area, you'll see it has the standard Coleman Lantern large living area slide with a jackknife sofa and dinette. On the back wall of the 264RL, you'll discover a pair of swivel rockers in front of a large window and with a shared side table. Next is the 286RK. This model has an impressive kitchen covering the entire rear wall and creating an inverted J to create a massive amount of counter space. Adjacent to the kitchen counter are a pair of swivel rockers with their own side table. These sit across from the jackknife sofa and dinette slide out, and a large entertainment center sits at the far edge of the living area. Now let's move on to the trio of Coleman Lantern toy haulers, the 250TQ, 290TQ, and 300TQ. All of them have 2,000-pound rated recessed D-rings. The 250 has over 12 feet of garage space and a cargo carrying capacity of just over 4,100 pounds for your toys, a pair of swivel rockers, flip-fold sofas, and optional Happy Jack bed. All in all, it's capable of taking the toys you love and sleeping 4 to 6 people. The all-new 290TQ is similar in garage depth, cargo carrying capacity, and sleeping capabilities, but extends the living area with an off-campside slide housing the major kitchen appliances. Its bedroom has a pocket door and additional wardrobe. The final Coleman Lantern toy hauler floor plan is the 300TQ. This model is the only lantern toy hauler that has an enclosed garage, sealing it off from the rest of the model with a solid door that leads into the walk-through bathroom. The garage is 10 feet deep, and the 300TQ has a cargo carrying capacity of nearly 3,000 pounds. The main living area has a slide housing a large U-shaped dinette. With the optional Happy Jack power bunk, the 300TQ is capable of sleeping 8. Surprising all outdoor enthusiasts with fantastic features is a hallmark of the Coleman Lantern. Inside, you'll find Coleman Lanterns with amenities such as Everware luxury furniture, 13,500 BTU AC, flush-mounted 3-burner cooktop with glass top, stainless steel high-rise kitchen faucet, Bluetooth-capable stereo, plus every Coleman Lantern has a very large 60-gallon fresh water tank, perfect for camping without water hookups. On the Coleman Lantern exterior, you'll find an exterior shower, power tongue jack, and power stabilizer jacks. When you're looking for something more than you expect in a conventional travel trailer with an entry-level price, take a good look at the wide variety found in the Coleman Lantern line of travel trailers and toy haulers.